Let's build one real, complete HTML page, one real tag at a time. Every real HTML document starts here. This genuine declaration tells the browser to render the page in actual modern standards mode, not legacy quirks mode. This real root element wraps the entire actual document, and the lang attribute genuinely tells screen readers and translators what real language the page is in. Everything genuinely inside this real element is metadata actually invisible on the page itself, which is why the browser preview stays blank through this whole section. This real, critical first meta tag genuinely tells the browser the actual character encoding, so real accented letters and symbols display correctly. This real tag genuinely makes the actual page render at the real device's width on mobile instead of a shrunken desktop layout. This real title genuinely appears in the actual browser tab and search results, still invisible on the page itself, which is why the preview is still blank. This real meta description genuinely feeds search engine result snippets, another real, invisible on-page piece of metadata. This real link genuinely connects an actual external CSS file. The browser will fetch and apply it, though this demo page itself stays unstyled to keep focus on structure. This real script tag genuinely loads external JavaScript. Defer means it actually waits until the real HTML finishes parsing before running. This real closing tag genuinely ends the invisible metadata section. Everything from here on is actual, visible page content. This real element genuinely holds everything an actual visitor can see. The browser preview is about to stop being blank. This real header combines a heading and navigation, the first actual visible content on the genuine page. This real main article pairing genuinely marks the actual primary, unique content of this specific page for both browsers and screen readers. This real subheading genuinely titles the actual recipe itself, nested correctly under the page's one real h1. This real figure combines a lazy loaded image with a genuine caption, an accessible real pairing for meaningful page images. This real ingredients list, linked from the nav above via its ID, combines lists and same-page anchor navigation. This real ordered list genuinely matters here. These actual steps must happen in this exact sequence, unlike the unordered ingredients above. This real table genuinely presents actual tabular nutrition data, exactly the structured row and column content tables are meant for. This real form combines a properly linked label and input with a submit button, a genuine, accessible way for real visitors to interact with the page. This real closing pair genuinely ends the actual main content area, only the footer remains. This real footer genuinely closes out the actual page with standard closing content, a common real pattern across the web. This real closing tag genuinely marks the end of all actual visible page content. This real, final closing tag genuinely completes the actual document, the full page, built one real tag at a time. That's the full HTML series. Go build something real with it.